Oh.
Why?
Put a high court order. Okay, there's a copy of the order. You've brought me for the high court.
Yeah, well, this is all about transgenderism. Yeah, it's about forcing. No, it is about one issue.
This is about the issue of the high court order. It's been brought before the court.
Judge Brian Cregan knew what would happen. He knew what would happen today.
Okay.
This is insanity. What's happening?
It is abuse of power. Forcing transgenderism, not just on me. It's illegal. Every school in the country, workplaces, businesses, and he's abusing his power, working with the government, abusing his power. Abusing his power. Abusing his power. That's what he's doing.
Refuse to use the they pronoun for a young child.
Nobody wants it. Nobody wants it.
It's an abuse of power. Absolute
On
insanity.
people who don't want it.
Absolute insanity. What's happening
Forcing
here?
transgenderism on every boy and girl and man and woman. Forcing transgenderism on them. Nobody accepts it. They don't believe it. People don't want to be told what to believe in, what they must believe in. They don't want to be forced what to believe in.